Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of MTD CNC North America. Today I have the pleasure of spending time with my buddy Jeff Onsrud here at CR Onsrud. And we talk a lot about the machines here at CR Onsrud. You guys have seen me talking about some of the amazing routers, even the 5-axis machining center which they've created recently. But today we're going to talk about this analytics system that they've created as well, doing machine monitoring and helping you guys understand what's going on with your machines on a universal platform a bit better. So Jeff, welcome to MTD CNC, my friend.
Hey Tony, good to see you again.
Good to see you as well, brother. It's always a pleasure. So you are the guy, you are the man. I know very little about this specific software, but I'm so excited to learn from you today. So whenever you're ready, my friend, take it away. Explain how this could be really beneficial for our customers around the world and your customers as well.
Hey Tony, so what we have here is our Osync machine analytics platform. And we built this on an open standard platform called MT Connect. And we built this really for ourselves to monitor our own machine shop originally. And now we've started offering it to all of our customers, and it's really been a big hit. And since we have our own machine shop, we feel that we really understand what it is that people want to know when they have a machine shop.
Jeff, that's incredibly clever to me, because you're right. I've been to your shop in North Carolina. It's a massive size. You're constantly building machines, you're running machines. It's Onsrud making Onsrud. I've seen what you do there, and it's impressive. So to know that you guys had the forward-thinking mindset to create this type of software for yourselves to see what's going on and make your machines better for people, to me, that's impressive, because you're right. You do know from being in your own machine shop what other people want to know in order to gather the most significant data. Very, very cleverly done, my friend.
Thank you, Tony. Yeah, it's been a fun project because it's continued to evolve. Everything that it can do, it's really ended up being one of the most built-out platforms out there, built on top of MT Connect to monitor machines, because we look at our own machine shop and then we take feedback from customers that say, gee, I wish I could learn this feature, that feature about my machine, whether it be in real time or historically. So what we do is we aggregate data from the machine, so it's constantly pumping out live streams of data. We take the data off of our Onsrud machines and then we analyze it. And so we're doing some machine learning to do some automated pieces, and then some just good old-fashioned reporting. So we've got graphs and charts and overview analytics, and really our philosophy is give you as much data as you want, but also as least data as you want. So the problem oftentimes is, here's a big spreadsheet of data. I don't want to look at a big spreadsheet of data. Most people don't, but some people do. And so those guys, will give them all of the raw data, and they can get really deep into it. Other guys, they just want to know, what's my machine doing? Is it making me money? We've even developed a voice control component, so you can literally pull out your phone and say, hey Google, how much money has my machine made me today? And it'll respond with a number. So that's not it. That just happened to happen at the same time, which is kind of funny. So that little segue there, since it popped up, we have push notifications. So it can push notification on your computer, on your cell phone, even send you a text message for critical alerts. And you can set up filters for which alerts you want to receive at any time.
But how very cool that you can talk to your phone and everything comes to your phone and text messages will pop up. That's just, I mean, that's what we have to do, right? If we're thinking about how people's mindsets are now, we pull out our phones to do darn near everything. The fact that you've chosen to connect it, to me, is another piece of, yes, I'm doing it in my own machine shop, and I don't have time to leave my office or my cubicle or another machine I'm working on, right? Oh, buzz me real quick, I can fix it. That is another, I'm gonna use clever again, because that's really what it is. It's a very clever foresight. Now, when I think of when a company makes something and they make it for themselves, sometimes they limit it to only being able to be utilized on their machines, right? But that's not what you guys have done either. You've made this somewhat universal for people.
Correct, Tony, yeah. So that's why we chose the MT Connect platform. It's the biggest one out there for machinery. You know, it comes out of the machine tool industry, and so there's a lot of manufacturers that's publishing data for that. So all of the machines in our machine shop, they put out MT Connect data. It's great. They only put out so much MT Connect data. We put out a lot more on our machines, but that's because on our machine shop, we wish we had a few more things of this or that, and so we built those into our own machines. So it does have to come from the control in the first place, but we can aggregate any data that's recorded over that protocol, which is great. So we can integrate other accessories. We've actually worked with various vendors in the woodworking industry and said, hey, you're all working on this whole Industry 4.0 concept. You need to build in an MT Connect adapter so that you can display that data and then we can read it. So then now we're getting really clever and we can pull information from like a dust collector or a vacuum pump or an aggregate or all these other accessories. So now the machine has context, right? It's not just I have a low air pressure that pops up. It's I have a low air pressure because, or what else is going on.
So I like it. I like it a lot. And CR Onsrud is known as a leader in the woodworking world for sure. And you guys also play in the metalworking world as well.
Right.
But this to me is just another key component that showcases how long you guys have been in business, placing yourself continually on that pedestal as a leader, and just another piece of a puzzle that allows you to support your customers even better, which we know you guys really focus on to make sure that everyone's taken care of that you guys work with.
Yeah, that's right, Tony. And I'm glad you brought up the support piece because it's not just about efficiency numbers. It is actually, there's a big component about this that's about support. So, you know, the analytics, it's great to know how much money your machine made you or how efficient a program was and all of that. That's good for historical information. But getting your machine back up and running faster is important. And so one of the really cool things that we can do is we can actually kind of look back in time and see what caused the problem to happen. So instead of just saying, hey, the machine just did something weird, well, why did it do something weird? What led to that? So we can actually look back and see what caused the error. So not just what is the error, but what happened before the error, what happened after the error, and that way we can quickly diagnose it and get you back up and running faster. And by we diagnose it, we're actually even providing tools directly inside the application so that it's a self-help, right? It says, hey, try this first. If you still need help, give us a call. We're always there.
I am thoroughly impressed. Now, I know you have a couple of screens that you kind of wanted to showcase and show the viewers right now different components of this software and what's going on. Is that correct?
Yeah, great. So, right, what we have here is our main Osync application, and this is a Windows application. You know, you just run it on a PC or whatever. And there's a lot of pieces inside of here. I don't want to, bore everybody going through all the little screens, but happy to do an in-depth demo for anybody anytime. But just, to let you guys kind of know, we have across the top here, we kind of have the machine comparisons where we get into the OEE. We have dashboards. We've got timeline views where you can look literally minute by minute, hour by hour of exactly what was going on. You've got the raw data that's searchable. You can export it to, your system of choice. And then we've got the machine support side with the similar information. And then the setup of things like text messages and shifts and all that kind of stuff. And that's really the core Osync application. There's also a maintenance module, so we have preventative and predictive maintenance. So preventive maintenance is, schedule-based maintenance that says, hey, I want to do this at this particular time. And then we do predictive maintenance where we use information from the machine to say, well, we think you can go a little bit longer before doing this, or hey, it's actually time to do this a little bit early. And so you might look at a spindle or something if it's getting a little extra vibration or whatever it might be.
Can you connect that to me?
Yeah.
I need to have the predictive.
I can send you text messages. I don't know if I can tell you when you're feeling bad. But so that's the main application, and then we've got. I'm just going to click over to a couple other screens here real fast. We have all the other information. This is our web view. So if you choose to connect your machine to the internet, we can have it where you can access this information anywhere in the world. It's pushed up to a private cloud database, secured, and you can access all of this, or the majority of the information that you can from the Windows client from the web interface. So that means you can access it on your phone, your tablet, your PC, whatever you might have it. And you can get some overview information, detailed program information, error histories, and that's even where you can get some of the AI-based learning that looks into the errors and says, hey, here's what happened before, here's what happened after, taking everything into context, here's a recommended next step, so kind of a self-help. Here's a little quick, overview, some overview information such as costing and program stats, and there's really just a lot of detail in here that you can access, again, from any device.
Well, I'm looking at this for the first time as well, guys, just so you know, for those of you who are watching right now. And what I think I really enjoy about this platform is how clean it is. It's not overwhelming. It's not just black and white. There's colors. It's really, it makes my eyes happy, let's say. I'm not feeling like I'm just staring at a bunch of numbers. It almost feels almost like a video game, and I'm really learning about what's going on with my machine, and I'm excited to see the green, or I see it change, you know, yellow for the feed override and the wrapper override going from 100 to 50 when it was at green before, and I imagine when it's at, you know, maybe 25 it turns to red. So I'm understanding it's all color coordinated, and it's really you know, it makes visually stimulating instead of just looking at black and white numbers.
Yeah, we really try to make it easy to use and quick to use, because people's business isn't looking at this, their business is running their business. So we want to provide them the information they need at the time they need it with the least amount of effort required. So that was one of the reasons we did the voice control. You know, if I'm busy, if I'm walking down the shop floor, I don't have time to go back to my desk and check some stats. I just want to ask it a question. So you pull out your phone, ask it a question, get an answer. You want to dive deeper into why is that answer, then go to the computer. Or no, then pull out your phone. Look, okay, here's a little bit deeper. Oh, okay, well, that's not enough information. Then go to the computer and get it as deep as you want to go. But get back on with your business if you need to.
I love it. Yeah, keep going.
So one other piece I wanted to highlight here, and there's so many more features to this. It's a very deep program, but I just wanted to highlight kind of a few top things here. This is what we call our shop floor manager. This is an overview dashboard, fully customizable. You make this look anything you want. In our machine shop, there's a grid of about 6 machines across it, each one with their own stats. You can take all of these components, drag and drop, move them any way you want around the screen, resize them exactly how you want them. You can change which tags are displayed. These are just the ones we chose. You change what the colors are when different things happen. I want it to look at this color. And so now what you're really doing is you're gamifying your shop. So you're getting your guys competing, going, hey, I want my bar to be higher than your bar. and it's good. It's you know, it's fun, and what you really end up finding is your shop is more efficient for it. Just by us putting a TV up like this in our shop and showing everybody where they're at, their numbers improved about 10%, just showing them their own numbers without us having to really say anything.
What is the best way to get in touch with you guys? Go to the website, the social medias, phone numbers. I know you like to give away your personal home address, you know. All joking aside though, with that being said, where can we find you? What website, socials, that kind of thing, to ask our questions?
So Onsrud.com, www.Onsrud.com//Osync, OSYNC, Osync, is the website for this product. Of course, you can reach out to us directly anytime, and we're happy to get on, show you a demo of it, call, talk to you. Our main line is 704-508-7000. Or, you know, just info@CROnsrud.com. I mean,
perfect.
Whichever way you prefer.
Perfect. Well, guys, this is CR Onsrud. As you can see, this is some really fascinating software. CR Onsrud, American-made company, been around for generations. I believe it's 3rd generation at this point.
Correct, Tony.
Beautiful, amazing company. Give them a shout, give them a call, shoot them an email. This is my buddy Jeff. Jeff, thank you for being a part of MTD CNC.
Thanks, Tony. Great to see you.
You as well.